Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by pairing and ensuring prerequisites are met. Confirm you have Airpods Pro or Max and at least 20% battery so noise cancellation performs well. Once paired via the Android Bluetooth menu, make sure the firmware is current by checking connection stability. You must accept the initial pairing prompt. If no prompt appears, scan for devices. After connection, you're ready to access noise controls through Android or third-party apps to enable adaptive features. Now enable active noise cancellation and choose modes. Open Quick Settings or the paired device page in Bluetooth to find available toggles. You can use Airpods gestures, press and hold or force sensor. If mapped on your model, map them in the Bluetooth device details to switch between ANC and transparency. If Android doesn't expose full controls, install a reputable app to access advanced ANC tuning and spatial audio. This gives you fine adjustments and explains why certain frequencies are reduced. To finalize, optimize fit. Replace tips and seal the ear canal because proper physical fit dramatically improves noise cancellation. Once done, verify ANC by playing consistent ambient noise and toggling modes to hear the difference. This confirms correct function. If noise cancellation is weak, restart Bluetooth, forget and repair the Airpods, or perform a factory reset. Also check for firmware updates via an app. If problems continue, try on another Android device to isolate whether the phone or the Airpods are at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.